What if one change could quadruple your engineering output, finally fix UI testing, and win over your board? All at once. That's not a pitch. It's what's happening right now as AI forces a complete rethink of the product operating model. Today, Monday, June 22nd, 2026, we're breaking down the 6 pieces you need to see. It starts with the boardroom. Boards are demanding product transformations, but full-scale change is risky and slow. The smart play? A pilot team. Think of it as a miniature transformation that delivers measurable results in a single quarter. It proves the model's value, shows the rest of the org what good looks like, and it's the fastest, safest way to get executive buy-in. Annotate.js lets any web page become a Figma-style review board. With a single script tag, you get pixel-precise highlights, drawings, and threaded comments right on the live site. It exports feedback as a JSON file, works in any browser without a backend, so designers and product teams can capture UI notes without switching tools or exposing data. Great product strategy needs 3 roles: a realist, an investor, and an architect. The realist surfaces risks early. The investor locks in the capital you need, and the architect crafts flexible plans. Together, they let product managers map the unhappy paths before they happen, instead of reacting later. Anthropic's Fiona Fung reveals how AI tools let her engineers ship 8 times more code than a few years ago. But it's not just about the tools. She breaks down the new roles, routines, and cultural shifts needed to keep a fast-moving AI-native org effective. The key? You can't just bolt AI onto old ways of working. Too many founders treat AI as just better software, tacking features onto existing products. The article argues true advantage comes from discarding legacy constraints and using AI to redesign what software should be. Ignoring that mindset traps most AI startups in incremental, unsustainable builds. LLMs are turning fragile UI tests into reliable production shields. They can draft and run end-to-end UI tests from natural language specs, tackling the brittleness that has plagued UI testing for decades. With structured prompts and human-in-the-loop checks, you keep costs and non-determinism in check, turning flaky suites into something you can actually trust. So what does today add up to? The product operating model is being rebuilt from the ground up. Pilot teams win buy-in, new tools streamline feedback, strategy roles keep you resilient, and AI-native practices multiply output while fixing testing. The companies that treat AI as a fundamental redesign, not a feature, are the ones that will lead. Keep an eye on how these pieces connect, because the next few quarters will separate the transformers from the tackers. I'll see you next time.